More progress. There's the housings that were modified and polished out, or resurfaced, rad potential style. Now they've had 2 coats of high temperature blue paint. And here's the irons, which have been masked and sandblasted and then stripped off and washed and then masked again. And now they've just had ceramic coating applied to the exhaust ports. This ceramic coating, Cerakote C186 piston coat, the air cured variety, because I can't fit these into my curing oven. It's only a small one, and I don't know if I'd want to anyway. I wouldn't want to risk the affecting the temperature. Actually, I suppose the heat treatment wouldn't be affected by an oven for curing this stuff, but there's an air curing version. I'll use it. Then see here, the same engine is going to have these parts. So these 2 rotors, which have been coated with the oven cured piston coat. So that's a heat rejection coating, which should help to reduce oil temperatures. Then, if all goes well with this, basically if this coating survives 1,000 miles or so, I'm going to be applying this to the side faces, including in the grooves, because apparently this stuff works perfectly on sides of pistons, so if it can survive the face of a piston, I'll put it on this. Probably going to change that bearing. Maybe. But, yeah, it's all going to be rebuilt with those parts, if they pass inspection. But even if they don't, I've got more than enough to rebuild it new. And up here, that's a full engine gasket set. Annoyingly, the company only makes a full engine gasket for the 6-port high power. This is a 192, so it's a 4-port engine. And I would have to pay £40 extra just to get this, but with some black paint on it. So I'm most likely going to use this as a template and maybe make a new one. Because there's no auxiliary ports, the thickness of this gasket is not so critical anyway. It's just a case of getting it somewhere close. On the 6-port you have to have, this is essentially a shim as well as a thick metal plate. And if you have it wrong, then basically the 5th and 6th ports will most likely jam up inside the irons. You're not going to have a good day. But this is a 4-port engine, so ceramic coated ports, ceramic coated rotors. It's all good.